So one of the examples that you might encounter at work when it comes to mind mapping is, let's say, you have a product that you need to launch. You're a product manager and there's a certain product that as a company you need to launch very soon. So how does it go in terms of mind mapping? Well, as you can see in this representation, in this mind map, that is also available on Canva and you can edit it. In the middle, you have the main idea, which is the product launch. Up there, this mind map is a diagram. It's basically it's just explaining what a mind map is, and you can always disregard this. Our focus here is product launch, and now you need to think about what is the goal. Okay, the goal is for this product to be on the market, and what do you have to do in order for this product to be on the market? You need to go through the product launching process. So you have the main idea, and now you need to go through the branches. So in terms of product launch, there are four things written right here. Maybe you can think about something else. There are 4 things right here that are written as stuff that are related to this product, to the product launching process. First, it's product, packaging, availability and pricing, promotion, you have stakeholders, and KPIs. Now, of course, the blue dots, the blue circles, these are the branches. Product, is it related to product launch? Yes, it is. KPIs, is it related to product launch? Yes, it is. Stakeholders? Yes, it is. Promotion? Yes, it is. These are all related to product launching. But if you saw, for example, that there is a fifth blue circle saying SEO optimization, search engine optimization, you're going to figure out that this has nothing to do with product launch. This has something to do with the company's website. It's not something that you need to focus on, even if that's something that you might need to work on as part of your job, but this is not related to product launch. So you added the branches. You ask yourself, are these branches a part of the main idea? Yes. Are these branches part of the main goal, which is putting the product out in the market? Yes, it is. Then you're good to go. Now that you got your branches, you need to figure out the sub branches. So in product, what are we talking about in terms of product? We're talking about packaging, we're talking about availability, we're talking about price. You can add a lot more things. Maybe you want to see, maybe you want to look at the design of the product. You want to look at the front or back end of it. Whatever you want to look at, you can add all these things that you think are essential for the product branch, and eventually are also important for the main idea. KPIs, budget allocation, market share, sales revenue, units sold, for you to be able to track all the results that this product launch is bringing in. Stakeholders, the customers and internals that are related to the product launching, and all the promotions that you have to run. You need to do advertisings, maybe flyers, press seating, press lunch, posters, BTL ads, everything that you need to do proper promotions. So what happened here is that you went from, okay, I want to launch a product, and you don't even know how to launch a product, and that's where mind mapping started. You said, I want to launch a product, I want to put a product out on the market. This is where it started. Then you said, then I need to launch my product. When you want to launch your product, you know that there are some ins and outs in terms of the product itself, to the KPIs and the analytics, to the stakeholders, and to the promotions. And once you figured out that you need to concentrate on each and every one of these branches for you to be able to get to the product launch and put it on the market, there are some sub-branches in each and every branch that you need to focus on. And we talked about them before, the sub-branches in products and KPIs, promotions, and stakeholders. Now, once you finish and you're good to go with each and every one of these sub-branches, if you finish packaging, availability, and pricing, you finished all the sub-branches in the product section. That means you finished the product section, you finished the entire branch. And once you finish all the sub-branches, that means that you finished the branches and your product is ready to go. Your product is good to launch, right? So that's as easy as that. Also, as I said, you can go on Canva and you can change all of these things based on what you want. But this is an example of how to use mind mapping at work.